How to change channel permissions. Want to control who can view, send messages, or manage specific channels? Channel permissions let you customize access for roles, members, or even entire categories. Let me walk you through how to change them. Let's get started. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Now, open your Discord server. Head to the server where the channel is located. Find the text or voice channel you want to update, then right-click on desktop or tap and hold on mobile. From the menu, choose Edit Channel to open the channel settings. On the left sidebar, select Permissions. You will see the @everyone role and a list of other roles or users. Click on a role or user to edit their permissions for this channel. You can allow, deny, or leave the blank for options like view channels, send messages, connect to voice, manage messages, use threads, emojis, reactions, and more. Click the plus icon to add new roles or members to customize their permissions. After adjusting the settings, click Save Changes at the bottom to apply them. And that's how you change channel permissions on Discord. Perfect for private chats, mode-only areas, or organizing your server like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.